YouTube. So I have a 2019 Honda Accord 2.0 Turbo Sport with a 6-speed manual transmission, and as you all know, is a direct injected motor, and you have to worry about the carbon buildup on the valves. There's a kit going around mainly by Mishimoto that wants you to remove some of these lines back here and connect them to a canister that they install right here. I believe it's this line that goes down to the valve cover right there, or the intake manifold. While that might help a little bit, this line has no check valve in it that I can see. It comes right here and goes down. So it'll have charge pressure when you're under boost. The real one you need to worry about for your PCV valve is this one. It goes right over here. It's on the intake side, pre-turbo, so it always has vacuum, and that's why it has these tamper-resistant hose clamps. See how you can't mess with that? So if you really want to do your engine a service, you need to reroute this one or run this one to the canister. If you take this off right here and look inside this, I guarantee you those that have done this delete will have oil residue right here. So just FYI, the Mishimoto kit might work, kinda, and it's a good concept, just not quite properly executed. Like and subscribe. Thanks.